Welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing SpongeBob SquarePants. This is a 10-inch pop, only sold by Target. There we go. Let's look him closely. It's a nice looking pop. If you like SpongeBob, I think you should get this. So, quick things I noticed though, I don't think this is a 10-inch pop. Now also a 6-inch, so I think it's an 8-inch pop. But in the box it shows to be a 10. Does it say here? Let's see. No, that's not. Okay, but it's supposed to be a 10-inch, but it's not 10-inch. It's an 8-inch. Still a worth pop to have. Yeah, I like it. Quick things I want to say. This pop costs $30, so it will be like around $33 when you buy it with tax and everything. It is an expensive pop. The regular pops are only $11.99 or $10.99, but this one is basically like you're buying 3 Funko Pops regular size. So keep that in mind if you are wanting to get this 10-inch SpongeBob SquarePants. Even though it's not really 10-inch, it's a 8-inch. Subscribe to my channel and hit like if you like the video, and see you next time. Stay safe and have a great day.